Dearest Srila Prabhupada, gratitude and appreciation for you comes easily any time we think of you. On this earth planet, we are all part of your extraordinary service to His Holiness Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Maharaj and the Divine Couple. Just because your earthly physical presence has disappeared from our limited view does not ever mean that you have now forgotten us. It was in the early 80s when I was fortuitously given a book about you written by His Holiness Satsvarup Goswami, aptly titled Planting the Seed. This volume of Leelamrita completely changed the trajectory of my life. At this time, you were no longer physically present on this planet, but on greedily reading this book, I surrendered to everything you represented, and you have never left me since. During a class you gave more than 4 decades ago, you emphasized that even if a fledgling neophyte leaves the association of devotees and wants to forget Krishna, the Lord will never forget this person. Likewise, you, Srila Prabhupada, whether I'm involved in more direct service to your ISKCON or way back somewhere trying hard to always remember your instructions and never forget your love in all that I do, I feel the comfort of your hand holding mine. This is a minute part of your extraordinary legacy, where unlimited millions of us, anytime, anywhere, can feel your loving guidance when we reach out to you in prayer. Thank you, Srila Prabhupada, for always being the hope we seek. With gratitude always, your loving granddaughter, Nikunja Seva.